Santa Rosa, signaling the play. Hanap ng mga pasahan. Santa Rosa drives at the side. Clinton sa ilalim. Okay, kick the ball. Let's out of bounds, winning to a turnover. And bounding. Nonoy Shilo, known as John Mark Shilo. Black John Bungi. Bungi. There's a ball pick. To Abbas is on the down. Shelo on the side. Fires a 2 gets a basket. Here comes our jersey number 29. Santa Rosa. Crossover moves. Drives. It's on the fires and get rebound again. Okay, same ball tayo. Last touch ni Nunoy Kambal. Aba tayo. Puro nali ng Nunoy. Okay, Metra lost the ball. Bunge takes a drives. Inside pass, out of bounds, turnover. So on Santa Rosa. Kapoy na si Bando. Mas Bundo. Kaya pinado. Push lang. On the side, Clinton fires a do not good. Battle for rebound. Scrabble the ball. Agawan Lube. Agay, butong. Pagkatok laya. Kaya sa ball number 28. Illegal use of hand. Bungi. 2 shots, 2 shots. An airborne player is a 2 shots. The 2 shots awarded jersey number 11, Metra SG. For the first time is basket, second throw, jumpers get ready. Ayan na. Iba talagang fans ng Team Unicea. Usan pa nga niya. May bonus ka buwas. Bonus na sabon. Okay, so 1 point. 13-23. Lamang yapon ng 23. So kita mahimo. Kaya doon muna. Okay, thanks the drives. Kick out pass, Kataw. Ay, follows up, Shelo. At taas ng talon. Di nakita. Gaan man ka ng lawas pag maniwang. Adi ka. Santa Rosa. Step back on the outside. Aha, Garilaw. Garrett Logan. 3 seconds violation. What a move! There's a foul. Hit shot. Foul on 7-7. Hop. How ini?
Happy viewing sa 9.
Grabe ka man.
Happy viewing.
Sa 2 shots.
Iba pa ako sa
Ako shooting. Drives. Continuous tayo. Continuous. Yeah. 2 shots awarded number 4 Shelo in the first person foul on wearing jersey number 7-7. And first times basket, second throw, jumpers get ready. Time remaining of 6 minutes and 12 for the second quarter. Okay, not good. Also, happy viewing kay Mr. Ernie Romero. Bayang pa kanin buhay, basta ako. Ay, wara-wara gan sir. Ayan na, Abbas. Rebound by Clinton. Paso Santa Rosa. Bundo. Oo nga. Nagmumula. Shelo. Aras by Santa Rosa. Shelo. Kick out pass. Kataw. Damian. Ay. Last touch by Nunoy. Nunoy Kambal. Mark Lister. Tunay na pangaran. Nunoy ang Rayo. Tuna marintok pa-placer. Ay. Ano na? Kataw from the outside. Patay ang toko. Sabi ko sa iyo ko nagukoy ka sa iyo. Di ka nang inapoy, di ka pa'y katauhan. So. Sige lang, pangamuti ng tira makabot. Adi. Fire sa 3 points. The trigger 3 points. Five minutes of 10, 26-16. Abat tayo. Comes And there's a whistle, la foul. On number 17, 7-7, 2, Labaw. 2 shots on Abatayo. Sige lang, kami ano gapon nila. May 10% ina na nagdag pag napapaul. Para sa time, not good. Second row, jumpers get ready. Cinco minutos, 3 segundos. Ang oras na nabibilin. Pangalawang tukol, pumasok din. 27, 16. Lamanggi ako ng 27. And ako Santa Rosa is on side. Takes a drive. Metra pumps and fires for nothing. Rebound taken by Abatayo. Abatayo to Abbas. Abbas takes a drive. Stop and fires. It's not good. Santa Rosa to Labaw. Labaw! Wow! 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 Magaman lang nagalugaw. Is now block dyan. Bungi! Yay! Wala lang. Santa Rosa again. Santa Rosa drives. Baseline not good. There's a 1 mark lesser. Abatayo. Turnover tayo. Pinos the ball. Bumuaya man. Kailangan na. May madayo daw ka mo boss. Samang. Substitution. Sino? Santa Rosa out. Ball coming in. Bawi na lang ka muna yung pagdayo. Adi, hanap ng mapasahan. Adi ka sa baang. Mitra, to Clinton. Back to ball. To Adi again. Pura lang punat. Ayan na, Labaw. And there's a foul. Ay, there's a foul number 31. Abatayo. An illegal contact. 2 shots on Labaw. Kauna mo ha. Kabalusman. Paning kamot lang. Mapula pa man. Mapula-pula pa. 3 minutos, 58 segundos on the second quarter with the time remaining. And that's brought to you by Red Horse Extra Strong. Lakas ng tama. Tumba pag siniba. Ay, score natin. Hindi na makita. Score whiteboard. Ay, 20 kayo. Abatayo. Tobongge. At the side. Kataw. Grabe. Lumpatan. Labaw ang nabungi. Iba talaga magpasaya si Mr. Labaw. Kinicho to Ane. It's a short. Yes, now Damian. Kataw. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Sige, push mo yan. Aba, shot lang at 15. What a nice pass, Shelo! Gandang hulog sa ilalim. Ibay na si Abbas, may matay na sa likod. Buhay ng pinya. Metra, haras pa Kataw. Foul, there's a holding foul on jersey number 7. Kataw. 3 minutes flat. 3 minutes, aray ko. Metra, intercepted. Abbas, that's a foul. Contact wearing jersey number 26. Paul Metra. 2 shots. Number 28, Abbas. Having his first attempt.
Mga guys, didini sa Barangay Baang, Barangay Baang, Mubo Masbate.
And second row, wala talaga. Talagang inaalat siya. Labaw, haras by Abbas to Metra. And now Metra taking the roll to Kinicho. And Metra pulls the trigger for nothing. Ade against Shelo. And puts. Yes, a basket. 2 minutos, 35 segundos. Abatayo, haras by Labaw. Against the old Bungge. To the side, intercepted and out of bounds with the same ball position. Score 22-29. Ito ang lamang. And now Abbas. Inside pass. Huling-huli. Labaw. Metra. Kinisyo. Fires on the outside. 3 points. Down to 4.3. 25-29. Talagang lumanlaban ng kupunan ng Oyunisya. Abas. Iyay. Mamang-mama. Pero may bata. Aray ko. Doon lang ako nalungkot. Metra. Hanap ng mapasahan. Tulabaw. Gandang ikot na agawan. Bungge. Ay, wala. And now, Labaw. Labaw. Hanap ng mapasahan. Gandang pasa sa kalaban. Okay, same ball tayo. Substitution. Metra out. Do, Aridas do. Patayin mo sing-sing ng kalala. Di ba tangkas ako? Aridas lang. 1 minute 30 yung game ball. Set is up. There's a rebounding by Abbas. Alo play, Shelo. Okay, it's a good ball. It's a bondo. Opo. It's a team. 27-31. Upat gihapon. Na mga 31. Bongge. Tukataw. Bongge. Fires on the outside. Bongge is not good. Di bang pinibay Labaw. Santa Rosa. Intercepted. Kamao pulls the trigger. Ay. Warakan sir. Substitution. Labaw out. Metra in. 1 minute flat at the game clock. 1 minute flat at the game clock on the second quarter. Let's go 31-27. There's no one Santa Rosa to Metra on the free throw line. 50 segundos. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng punan ng SB, IC and SK, IV. Intercept. Okay, same ball tayo. 40 segundos. 40 seconds. Time remaining. And so on Abbas. Looking for his teammate. Abbas, zigzagging play. Force the trigger, not good. Santa Rosa, 30 seconds. That's a good ball. Intercepted, scrabble. Ale, fires, in and out. Dribble by Abbas tayo. Saving the ball is out of bounds. It's the same ball. Dishi, 7 segundos. 17 seconds. 17 seconds. As now, intercepted. There is a foul. Illegal use of hand. Santa Rosa, 30 segundos. 29, Santa Rosa. 30 segundos. Shot clock is off. First of okay. Down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.